Look at that mist. It doesn't even look real. What a beautiful city.
So extra.
Oh yeah,
I love it. There we go.
Yeah,
Here she is.
So, after a 2.5 hour queue of queues for queues, I am finally up at the top of the bloody Christ Redeemer statue in Rio. Was it worth it? Like, now I've got a queue to get back down as well. It just never ends. So this is the City of Samba, where they make all the amazing costumes and floats for Rio Carnival. And this is where they clearly go to die. Just the scale of it. I mean, it puts Notting Hill Carnival to shame, doesn't it? Look, I'm just walking around. I'll probably get in trouble now, because we were told not to go in here, but how amazing is this? Rio Metro.